Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to share the assignment on your Google Classroom as a teacher. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Google Classroom. So open your app library and just type a classroom on the search button and just go click it to open it. And after that we need to open the classes, so you just need to go click this three straight lines, and the class collection or your classes will be right here. So you just need to go click it. You only have one class, so you just need to go click the class. And after you find the class that you want to share assignments to, you just need to take a look on this button features. There will be like three options right there: stream, classwork, and people. So here to share the assignment, go jump into this classwork and go click this plus button. There will be give you like a lot of options that you can share. Either you want to share the assignment, quiz, questions, materials, or anything. So here if you want to share an assignment, go click this assignments, and you just need to give the assignments title. So here let's say the math one, and after that you just need to add the descriptions. And after you're done, you can also create the attachment about the files of the assignment. You can choose the sources. Either you want to bring the files from your drive, or insert the link, upload the file, or you can also even choose from photo or video. If you want to make your assignments right away on a Google Classroom, they will also provide you with a create new PDF. So you just need to go click it if you want to make like a lifetime assignment. So here let's say go click this part, go into the specific place that you want to put, and just type the question. So let's say here I will let you give these questions into my students, and you can just add the other questions. And so on and so on. And after that you just need to go click save. And now wait until the application generate the files for you, and after you're done, you just need to go click assign. Now you already shared the assignment. So that's the way how to share assignment on a Google Classroom. Hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial, and thank you for watching. I'll see you for the next video.